This was our 12-night adventure on the Anthem of the Seas. This is the first trip we've made on Royal Caribbean, and we're looking forward to it, a trip to the Canaries. In this episode, we take a ride on the North Star, up in the sky. We test the food, we test the entertainment, and we make ourselves a home on the Anthem of the Seas. We have a day at sea, and we have a day at La Coruna. So case going on, 25 grey ones, 25 grey cases going on. One of them's mine. She can't wait to go on. She's more keener than me today, I can't keep up with her. Hold on. Hello. Yep. Sorry. Thank you. Okay.
Welcome on board, sir.
Thank you very much. The cabin's 1 o'clock or?
About 2:30.
2:30. Thank you. Thank you.
How can I help you? Do we must emergency station?
Which, oh yeah, we got a muster station now?
Yes, you do. Can I see you?
Oh yeah. Yes.
We need you to do that first before you do anything else.
Okay.
We come to showroom anyway.
Just,
Okay, so you're D4. You're straight ahead.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're in D4.
D4, yeah.
Yes, may I?
Of course.
Andrew, Mr. Andrew.
That's right. Where we go? Right. Yeah.
Life jacket
Sorry.
has been fixed, okay?
Let's find a bar first. Toilets. Toilets. Useful to know. Let me find a bar.
Everybody, welcome aboard the beautiful Anthem of the Seas. I hope you are ready to enjoy and have a fantastic cruise with all of us.
Oh, you will.
I am Michelle, your
There's waiters in.
we have a lot of great things planned throughout all the upcoming days ahead of us. But our
This'll do. This'll do. Lovely night. Lovely night. £2 worth of boat there. Yachts. It's looking really good, yeah? We're here in one of the main dining rooms, and we've got a nice menu and a nice view as well. As we were coming in, they told me this we can have this table every night at 8:30. So I don't know what we've done special. The head waiter basically said, "Oh, you can come in at 8:30 tomorrow, and you can have this table and just walk in." I thought, well, you can't just walk in. So I don't know why he said that, but we might be stuck to this table every night, which is good because it's a nice view. So we'll see. But we're doing a steakhouse tomorrow anyway, so it's not going to happen then. So far so good. I just ordered some red wine and we're just going to go through the menu. So, crispy crab cream. There's two different steaks there. You got grilled chicken breast.
So tonight the chef recommendation.
So first course looks very nice. It's a crab cake. I went with the chef's recommendations. So this looks really nice. Let's see how it tastes. We're on to our mains. Paula's got chicken underneath.
Look at the vegetables, they're pretty.
It's quite big, isn't it?
They look lovely the way they're laid out.
Really nice, yeah. I don't think that's as big as the one we had in Vegas, the cow pie in
No.
Vegas. It looks really nice.
It's similar to the way it's made on top of this.
And I got prime beef with vegetables, medium well. Quite a big piece there, yeah, so we'll see. It looks nice. By the way, the crab cakes are fantastic. Good start. I think that says it all. I think Paula's demolished her pie as well. Very good start actually, and I just went for the chef's recommendation, so it was very, very full of flavour and not too much, but just enough, So got another glass of wine coming. Paula's going on for a mocktail. It's all looking good. There's a nice looking desserts there, key lime pie. There's Paula's. What's this, Paula? Do you remember what it is? No. Looks nice anyway.
No, I
We're going to have some
remember.
coffees to top it off. After our meal, we headed down to level 5, where we went to the pub, Brass and Bock. After a lovely meal, we went to a pub when they were doing Shadows songs, so it reminded me of my dad. My dad Mel, because he does Shadow songs, and they just did one after another. They just picked all the songs that he plays. And it was a nice place. It's like a little pub, and They had lots of beers.
Little pub, wasn't it?
Yeah, lots of beers from the world. So, and now we're going to see an adult comedian. So, and yeah, we've had a great night so far. And we enjoyed it. Yes, Paula?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Lovely meal and
yeah, they looked after us. Yeah,
relaxing here now.
it was yeah, it's relaxing. And we're in this big theatre now. We're going to watch a show. So, onward and upwards. We've enjoyed this so far. So we enjoyed last night. It was very good. We had a comedian who I thought was really funny. Paula enjoyed him as well. You know, it was an adult humour comedian, and then the moment he started swearing, we got people walking out. 2 or 3 people anyway. But it did say his adult humour. But yeah, he was really good. He was really... No, he wasn't. It wasn't all that crude or anything. He's clever. He's really good. We had a nice meal at the American Icon restaurant. We were very much looked after there. It was really nice. And just got settled in really to the cruise. You know, we went to the pub. There's some music, a guitarist who was playing all instrumentals, and it was all stuff that we really enjoyed. We only stayed there briefly. I'm sure we'll do it again. And
There's a nice atmosphere in there.
yeah, it was a nice atmosphere. It was full. It was full. We sat by the bar, and they had sort of a great selection of beers from around the world.
Cocktails.
And we ended up having cocktails, the old-fashioned. And then Paula retired, and I went onto the casino where I lost a bit, but I didn't lose everything. So it was good entertainment anyway. This morning we're going to go to one of the main dining rooms for breakfast rather than the buffet. But we realised we were too early for it, so we sat outside Cafe Promenade, just had a coffee, and we're gonna. It'd be nice just to have a set menu for breakfast rather than overeat on the first day. And probably try the windjammer a bit later. In the middle of that, we're out at sea now. We've got a sea day, and we're going to chill out and find somewhere to sit down. And no other plans really for this morning anyway. Catch you later. We're in the Salarium Cafe. It's buffet it is. And just on a light lunch, nice salad, pork chop, roll, a few cold meats. Being quite healthy so far today. So all the healthy food. I just let myself down with this 2 desserts. Just couldn't. Just couldn't leave it there, you know. We'll see. Looks nice. So this one's like a custard with like marshmallow sort of coconut taste on top, and this is like a velvet raspberry trifle. Very nice, both very nice actually. So yeah, can't fault much of the food so far. This is our number one elephant. Cool. This is our balcony. Very decent size, with feet rests, a table, quite private. And if I swing around here, there's a room tour of a 9254, which is a balcony cabin. Interesting artwork. We've got the settee. I think that can probably turn into another bed, and lots of storage. There is a mini bar in there, so which takes up quite a bit of space. Some nice lighting fixtures. Big mirror. You've got your American and your European. You've got USB, so plenty of connections there. Then this wardrobe is split, so you've got one side with the safe, two drawers underneath. Not so much hanging space in this wardrobe. The other one is full, so there's no other interference there. So, but it's fairly good space in there. Your, I don't know, 40, 45, 50 inch perhaps TV. There's a couple of UK channels on there, and there's some pay-per-view on demand channels. This is the bed. There's no connections next to the bed as far as I can see for your USB phones and so on. We've just had our room cleaned, as you can see, and we've got a new visitor. This is the elephant, towel elephant, and we've got the paper version of the What's On Today. It's been delivered to us. They did say they're not going to do it. I thought it was all electronic and online, but you can get them from Guest Relations, and he's dropped one in today, which is good. If you've got your drinks package, this is the cup they will give you with the chip at the bottom, and that will allow you to use the dispensers dotted around. We just filled ours up at the Windjammer. There was only one machine working, but it does the usual sparkling drinks, your Cokes, your Tangos and things like that, different flavours. They've also got water from the machine as well. And then finally, bathroom. Oh, there's another mirror there. There's another mirror there. So full length mirror there. On the door there, do not disturb sign. Is a magnetic strip, so you just put them on the other side of the door if you don't want anybody to disturb you. Aircon unit. It's pretty cool in here actually. Don't need to mess around with it generally. And yeah, sure, it's a fair size shower unit, and comes with body wash built in. None of your fancy toiletries though, just the standard stuff. Plenty of space for all your toiletries and what have you. Pretty compact, but still another big window mirror. There's enough space, is fine. We've seen worse than this. So that's your room tour of 9254 on the Anthem of the Seas. It's day 2, and we're, as you can see, we've got a formal night coming up. That's the first formal night. Don't see me dressing up like this very often. We're in the Bay of Biscay tonight, and the weather's a bit overcast actually, but yeah, we're all getting ready for tonight. Looking forward to it. Lazy day today by the pool, and didn't have much food, but just snacking and salad for lunch. But tonight, hopefully, I'm going to push the boat out a bit. Should be good. Be a show, I'm sure, later. Lots of things to do, and we've got a steakhouse meal and dressing up, and why not? So this is the drink of the day on day 2. It's a apple spritz, white wine basically, with apple in it, quite fresh. And Paula, what have you got? Passion Starlight. This is Paula's favourite. This is Paula's favourite.
I did yesterday.
Nice to get out early, isn't it? Yeah. So we're looking forward to a nice night. We've got a steakhouse 8:15, so we're looking forward to it. It's not bad, we've got an hour to play with. We're in Chops Grill, one of the specialty restaurants, and we've got some bread to start off with. We've ordered our meals, so we're looking forward to it. So starting off with a bit of bread, which looks nice on the first formal night of the cruise. So it's an appetizer of back bacon, and Paula's got the crab cakes here. Looks nice. Looks very nice. Well presented. The first course is fantastic. Both enjoyed ours. And now we've got lobster bisque and what is it? Mushroom soup. Mushroom soup. And lobster bisque. This is Paula's mushroom soup. Nice. Nice. Wild mushroom soup. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing cheese.
So I went for the small steak. Paula's got the little fillet, small one. And we got some sides between us: mac and cheese, truffle fries, cream spinach, and a huge steak. Yeah, 16 ounce. This is yeah, looks nice anyway. Yeah. So all so far it's been really, really good. We enjoyed it. So impressive. So absolutely full. Absolutely full after that huge steak, which I really enjoyed. Paula struggled with hers, I think, but got a dessert menu. Yeah. I've had the key lime pie, meringue pie, chocolate cake, New York cheesecake, apple pie, red velvet, and ice cream. Might just go for the ice cream. What are you fancying? And we're going to finish off with the New York cheesecake. Looks really nice. And Paula's got
Steak pie.
steak pie with ice cream. Steak pie with ice cream
It's apple.
and gravy.
It's apple pie.
Apple pie, is it?
Beautiful. Dude.
And it was, what have we got underneath it there, Paula? What is
Salted
it?
caramel
Salted
sauce.
caramel sauce.
I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer.
Can't wait.
Thank you.
Can't wait. Okay, that's the review done. Now we just have to roll out here tonight. Let's roll out. Paula couldn't eat all the steak, but yeah, it all looks very nice. I think we're going to enjoy it. Paula, stop it! Stop it! Paula's laughing at my photos and me in my suit. I look like I grew out of Despicable Me. Shoulder pads, okay. Yeah, it's the photograph, isn't it? It's a special effect, okay? It's a special effect you can do on the iPhone.
It looks like you're standing inside the suit with your shirt open and just step out.
What did you put in this drink? Morning. After a heavy night, I think. A heavy night, was it? Yeah, we had a great night, actually.
I feel like it was a heavy night
We had a great night.
this morning.
We're down here at the cafe on level 4. And we're in the coruna. And we're ready to go off the ship in a second. We've got to be back on the ship by, say, 2:30. So we're going to make the most of it. And we've got no particular plan. We have a little wander around. And then back on the ship. Very light breakfast. We've actually just a croissant and a granola, that's all. But we're ready to go now. Yeah. Last night was really good. We ended up in the pub with there was a guitarist who played all really sort of modern stuff and all stuff that we like, sing-along songs. There wasn't much space in there. We had to sit on an outside table, but the doors are open. We could hear it all. So yeah, that was right about straight, wasn't it? We missed the karaoke again.
He's here there every night.
Yeah, he's here every night. Yeah.
12.
So we look forward to seeing that again. And no big show yesterday. It was just wandering around and found some good entertainment. So there's something for everybody, I think. So we'll catch you later. Very nice. It's the Adams family residence. La Coruna branch. That's interesting, isn't it? I like that. Don't do it, Spidey. Don't do it. Says Paula. It is International SpiderMan Day today, I think. Yeah, I think so. Told us on the ship. This is a bit more with it, isn't it? Feels a bit more like a city by you. Nice. Sorry, technical issue. Too fast. Whoa, from you I drift away. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.